Hi mga Lods, kumusta? Mayroon tayong unbox ngayon na Hilo W1 na naka-premium sound quality. At ito rin ay naka Qualcomm aptX adaptive na rin. So maganda to sa mga naka-Snapdragon na mga Android phone. Tara, buksan natin at i-try natin kung maganda ba at i-check natin kung sulit ba ang ganitong earphone. At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa mga ganitong video at content. Maraming salamat po. So if you want to avail this kind of earphone, mga Lods or Hilo W1, I will put the link below. So this video pala mga Lods ay recorded during pandemic time. I think 2021 or 2022. So almost 3 years na rin ko itong ginagamit. So I can give my idea and my experience sa Hilo W1. Pagkabukas natin, nandun yung dalawang earphone at yung charging case niya na naka Type-C na rin, at also yung manual, yung Type-C to Type-A na cord, and yung extra tips niya if in case na hindi kayo comfortable sa laki ng nakalagay na ear tips, you can change it sa size na gusto nyo. Now, ilagay natin yung dalawang earphone doon sa charging case if gumagana ba. So, kung may red light indicator, it means nagcha-charge or it means gumagana yung dalawang earphone natin tulad yan. At kung pagka-close natin sa charging case naman, if may tatlong 3 dots na light, it means full charge yung ating charging case. So let's talk about the design of the charging case. Meron siyang Hilo na logo at Hilo na brand name sa itaas banda. At yung mismong earphone din, merong Hilo na word na nakalagay, naka-indicate. So makikita talaga yung branding ng ating earphone. So both side yung Lods, left and right. And then yung magnet nito napakalakas, hindi madaling nahuhulog yung mga earphone in case nakabukas yung charging case. Yan. At also yung charging case niya mismo, mayroon ding magnetic for open and close, so hindi siya madaling nabubuksan in case na mahulog, in case na mapaglaruan ng bata. And then compact lang din yung design and then yung size. So napakaliit lang. You can bring it anywhere. So yung design pala ng earphone, naka in-ear style siya. At yung design napaka-unique. Hindi mo pwede ma-compare dun sa mga AirPods, 'di ba, ng mga iPhone na mga brand. So unique na unique talaga. You cannot compare it from other brand kasi may unique and stylish yung design ng Hilo W1. So ganito mga Lods ang itsura pag nakalagay na sa ating tenga. So far hindi masyadong malaki, hindi din masyadong maliit yung earphone. Saktong-sakto sa mga lahat ng klase na tenga, maliit man o malaki. At in terms naman kung nahuhulog ba ito, so far for 3 years hindi naman. Hindi ko na-experience na nahulog to during jogging, running, or gym. At pwede din ito na mabasa konti ng pawis or tubig kasi nga naka IPX4 water resistant. At if nakaharap naman, hindi siya masyadong protrude, hindi siya masyadong kita naman pag nakaharap kasi sa tao. So hindi nila malalaman kung may suot ka bang earphone or wala. So sa pag-connect naman nito, just open the Bluetooth of your Android phone or iPhone, and then automatic may ganitong lalabas na application, and just click done and you are good to go. Yung Hilo W1 ay mayroong Qualcomm aptX adaptive at also meron din itong low latency mode para doon sa mga taong gustong gamitin ito during online games tulad ng PUBG, mobile, any online games, and also for watching movie, watching Netflix para mas less yung delay So, meron ding noise cancelling technology yung Hilo W1. So, if you want to use this outdoor while listening music or having call for someone, pwedeng-pwede to mga lods. So, during playing PUBG Mobile, I enable the low latency mode. And then, yung footstep or yung gunshot and yung gunfire, may konting delay pero hindi mo ito mahalata talaga dahil nga sa ginamit na Qualcomm IPTX Adaptive. Napakaganda nito if you want to use this in playing online games like, again, PUBG Mobile, on Mobile Legend, Wild Rift, or any kind of online games sa ating mga Android phone or iPhone na mga devices. And not only for gaming but also for Netflix, watching movies, watching videos. So I recommend this Hilo W1 for almost 3 years na paggamit ko. Using Hilo W1 for music, I have no any complaints. There's a balance between bass, heights, and mids. The clarity of the music was there, and every music was loud and clear. There's no any distortion if you want to put into the high volume. So there's no any issue for me for the Hilo W1. In terms naman sa functionality naman ito, it's a touch control which is both earphone, one click, answer and end call. For left side, double click for previous track. For right side naman is double click for next track, and single click for both side for play and pause, and triple click naman for both side for navigate the voice control or voice assistant like Hey Google. So maraming salamat mga Lord sa panunood ng ating review ngayon ng Hilo W1. So kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa mga ganitong content at mga video. Maraming salamat mga Lords, and God bless sa ating lahat.